Hi everyone, and today we're going to be opening up the Influencer box, Taste of the Wild, and my dog is going to be trying some of it. This is Maisel, and she is an Australian Kelpie mixed with a pit bull, at least from what we know, and she loves to eat. So I'm really excited for this Influencer box because this is the first that I've gotten that is for her. Say hi. Oh! So Maisel is a pit bull mixed with an Australian Kelpie. She's a medium-sized dog, and ever since we've gotten her, we have given her either grain-free food or food that does not have chicken in it, because chicken tends to have a lot of fillers in it when it's involved in dog food. She does eat pretty much only dry dog food. Occasionally, if she's like having some digestive problems or something, we'll get like an additive that's usually wet, and it helps her to digest a little bit better, but pretty much all the time she has dry dog food. So this seems to also be a dry dog food, and it is called Taste of the Wild, and it says with ancient grains. The wild is expanding. So on the front, it seems like they have a couple of different options. If I'm basing it off of the pictures, it looks like they have goat flavor, duck flavor, buffalo flavor, and fish flavor, I think. Okay, so we here have the box. We're gonna open it up. Oh, this is really nice. Okay, so first in the box we have our little informational card, and it has all of the guys on the front that I said: buffalo, duck, goat, and some sort of fish. And it basically says the recipes are new, the diet is ancient. The number one ingredient is from real meat, fish, or fowl, and 80 million CFU per pound of guaranteed probiotics. The roasted and smoked proteins dogs crave are now paired with grains, sorghum, millet, quinoa, and chia seed for 4 delicious recipes. Naturally rich in protein, ancient grains are also excellent sources of carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and omega fatty acids, so your dogs get the complete nutrition that they need to thrive. So when I open the box, it looks like we have 2 of the same type of food, but they seem to be portioned out. I might give her a little bit less than this, but I need to read a little bit more. But it looks like we have the roasted lamb, and we have 2 packs of this. 2 packs of roasted lamb. One looks a little bit smaller. Yeah, one is a little bit smaller. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait and give her, I guess, the smaller pack whenever we have a dinner for Maisel. So, are you excited? She's so cute. But that's all that's in the box, and so we're gonna go on. The next clip you'll see is us feeding her. So I did not get to feed her this the other night, so we're gonna give her some this morning. I'm just gonna give her a piece and show you how she feels about it, and then I'll put it all in her bowl. Sit. Here you go. Try it. What do you think? You like it? I think she likes it. Alright, let's record giving her all of it. She does this thing with her jaw when she's excited. Here, let me go. She does this little clicking sound when she's really excited. Go ahead. So what did you think? What did you think? Was it good? If you had to rate it 1 out of 10, what would you rate it? She does keep going back over and like smelling the bowl and licking the bowl, which she does not usually do from my remembrance with our other food. So that's a good sign. I will keep you guys updated if she has anything that happens, like, digestive differences, all that kind of stuff. So Yeah. Hello. So I apologize for this weird setup, weird angle, but I wanted to do an outro for you. So at this point, Maisel's had 2 of these, and she really likes the formula. I mean, obviously, I don't know, but she ate it up. She went back, as you saw in the clip, and licked the bowl, which I don't think she usually does. But I really think that she enjoyed this little gift from Influencer and from Taste of the Wild. It seems great for your dogs. It's great for dogs who love flavor, and from what I saw, I don't remember there being much of like a fowl. I don't remember there being many options when it comes to fowls. There was a duck, but the reason I say that is a lot of the chicken flavored foods that you get for your dog will end up having a lot of fillers in them. And we actually found this out through my brother's dog, Luna. She's actually really allergic, and so she has to have a food that is no grain. But usually if you switch to like beef flavor or lamb or something else, that filler isn't as present in those foods, because I don't know what it's about, because chicken I think is one of the cheaper options. I could be wrong about that. But anyway, you enjoyed it, right? Yeah. So tell them where to go if they want to learn more. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video review with Maisel and I know that she really enjoyed the food. So I will see you guys in the next video that we have here on the channel. Bye!